Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome to the Loft. We're going to do another retro Southern classic today. You remember last week we did the chess pie, which is delicious. It's a desperation pie, a make-do pie. Today we're going to do its cousin, the buttermilk pie. You heard me right, it's going to be delicious. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to do a quick ingredient breakdown here on this buttermilk pie. You're going to need, as the namesake suggests, 1 cup of whole milk buttermilk, whole fat buttermilk, 1 1/4, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, zest and juice of 1 lemon, 3 eggs. We're going to throw a little vanilla extract in it. We're going to throw some nutmeg on top. In here, I've got 3 tablespoons of flour and a pinch of salt because I am not using salted butter. And lest we forget this type of deliciousness, 1 stick of melted butter. Let's get this mixed up, y'all. Okay, so we're going to start with our sugar and our butter. And I am just going to kind of cream this up together a little bit, carefully, till it looks something about like that. Let's get our flour on in, and the salt, and let's crack some eggs, kids. Using room temperature eggs. And let's get this lemon action happening here. So, here we go. In go the eggs. In goes the buttermilk. And in goes about a listen to me, teaspoon of vanilla. And let's get this going. And by all means, get this absolutely everywhere, of course. Now I'm gonna fold in my lemon zest, and we'll get this poured up. All right, in our deep pie dish it goes. It looks a little runny, but it will set. Ooh, let me taste that. And we're just gonna sprinkle some nutmeg on top. This will help with some color. Using maybe about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 350 for about 40-45 minutes or until it is set. Carefully. Shit. Oh well, that's why you have a liner. Our buttermilk pie has been at it now about 45 minutes. You see that jiggle? I think at 2 can go about another 10. That's going to be beautiful. So we'll just pop that in. So that would be about a total of 55 minutes to an hour, all said and done. All right, guys. So on our buttermilk pie, we have hit about the 55-minute mark. So I'm going to pull this out. We're going to take a look at it. Let's see. Okay. Still got a little jiggle to it. Be honest with you, I think I'm going to go 5 more minutes. I don't think that's gonna hurt anything here. So, let's come back then. Okie doke, we've hit about the hour mark on our buttermilk pie. So let's get this baby out and see what we've got. Yes, indeed. So we've still got a little bit of jiggle on that, but it'll continue to set up. So I'm gonna try to carefully move this over to a cooling rack. It needs to cool all the way down. It does not need to be refrigerated. So, I don't know. We wait. Okay guys, let's cut into this buttermilk pie. Snip. It's a little warm. That looks delicious. So let's see what buttermilk pie tastes like, y'all. It's very lemon forward with that zest and the juice of that lemon. You do not taste the tang of the buttermilk at all. So it's just like bringing that delicious richness to it. That's crazy good. All right, kids, there you have it. The classic retro Southern buttermilk pie. Couldn't be any easier. So, desperation pie, make do pie, I call it delicious. So, click subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more retro Southern classics coming at you. See ya.